tornado is no longer moving at the reasonable 20 miles per hour from the beginning of its life. Now, it's racing eastwards at more than 50 miles per hour. Any chaser east of the tornado now suddenly finds themselves escaping a deadly situation.
What is that? What is that? It looks like the tornado. The car won't go. I've got to get out of whatever this is. The car just isn't going.
Twistex's Chevy, with less power than Robertson's Toyota, falls behind him. The rear dash cam captures the car disappearing from a pair of headlights to a single speck of light.